Hello guys, welcome to the Scholarship Analyst channel. In this video we'll be talking about the Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship by the Hungarian government, and the scholarship is a fully funded scholarship, and we'll be walking you through on how to apply on this video. And the reason, because if it's your first time applying to this scholarship, my guest talk and be like, how do I go about it? And I've applied to this scholarship like 3 times, which I'll be showing you in this video, and whether I was able to get it or not, and the reason I'm going to also share with you in this video. So before I continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you're watching this video right now, subscribe now. Don't forget to put on the notification button. And also, in this video, in this channel, basically we I share experience about the scholarship I've applied to, how I go about it, and how I was able to win some, and reason for me losing some also, based on what I felt. And we also have a WhatsApp group channel in which you can join. The link of the WhatsApp group is in the description of this video. If you have any question, anything, any information to share, any question, and also connect with others, don't forget to join the WhatsApp group. So let's get started. And this Hungarian government scholarship is a fully funded scholarship. It covers tuition, it covers your living, and it covers your and also you'll be given a stipend. So it covers that. The only thing you need to cater for is just your flight money to get to Hungary, and that's all. The rest, the feeding, the accommodation, the tuition, the stipend, everything is covered for. So you don't need to be worried with that. So this is the website. I'm going to be posting the link of this website in the description of this video, so you can find the link of this website there. And once you get to this website, you can click on apply. However, currently the majority of the universities in Hungary for this scholarship are not yet open for the applications, but few of them are open currently, in which if they are offering your course, you can apply now, and then by the time others open for the application, you can also apply to them, because you can apply to more than one schools in the scholarship. So let's get started. So click on apply. So if it's your first time, you're going to be taken to the page in which at the upper part you will see sign in or apply now at the front page, either with two, or sign up. Just sign up and register if it's your first time. And if you have problems signing up, let me know, so in the WhatsApp group or in the comment section. So but because I've created this account in the past, so it was easy for me to just sign in. So once you get to dashboard, the dashboard is something like this. And the first thing you need to do, so before I continue to what you need to do, let me show you my applications in the past, so as to show you that okay, in 2021, this is it. Can you see? I applied. 2022 I applied, and 2023 I applied. Can you see? So that's that. So before I came to this video, I tried to open this application to see if the website was already active. So this was the application I created now before I started this video, just to confirm some stuff on the website, to see if it's working, and to check the school that are open for application. So once you get to the dashboard, like I said, go to find programs. Once you go to find programs here, you're going to get to this particular page. So here, choose masters, choose academic 2024, 2025, and I'll check the rest. Choose the full degree. It depends on what you are going for, but I'm going for masters. If I'm to apply for this scholarship again, I'll be choosing masters. So then choose English. You understand? If you know you are good in these languages, you can choose them, but I'll be choosing English for this course. And then you can type in your course, but like I said, most of these schools are not open currently, so I won't be putting the course name. I'll just find so as to see which one is opened for application currently. Can you see? Not yet opened, not yet available, not available. So you can just scroll through. So this one is opened, so you can go to the next page and check out next page and the third page. So but you can check them out on your own, but for now I'm going to be using this one that is opened. So you can click on more information. So once you click on more information, uh, you can see the requirements of the school here, or this particular school. The first of all, they are offering these courses: plant and production, animal science, economic science, and the likes. And uh, their proficiency, their English requirement for admission is this. You can see English language proficiency. If you have a proficiency certificate from your university, you can submit it. If you have IELTS, you can submit it. You can see them here, certificate of English certificate. So anyone you have out of everything, you just make sure you submit them. And after that, if you feel you are okay with the school, they have your course, you're okay with the requirement, then go on and click on apply. So which is this, can you see you already added this? So because I've already added it already, it's going to bring me to this page. But if you have not, it's going to take you to another page to click, I guess, to continue probably. So edit the application. So at the time of creating this application, I cloned the one I've already applied to before. Like I showed you, like I said, I've applied to some in the past, so I cloned them. So meaning that my information in my previous application will be reflecting here. So let's just click edit. So once you finish all your once you finish filling all your applications, you can click submit here. You can click submit. So that's when you finish filling everything. Do you understand? So but for now, you can be clicking save as draft. The deadline is can you see it here? The deadline is January 31 for this particular school. So different school, different deadline. So what you need to do, click on mobility, click on the first one, the priority. This is the first one. You can add more choices to it. Maybe if you want to choose another different program, this school I likes, add another school to it. So but for now, if I want to add another school, I can add more choice also. So but for now, let's leave it there. Okay, at 3 days, you can read this through depending on the school you are choosing, but different school have different information. So but majority of the stuff like profile, contact are the same thing. So you can fill in your profile, fill in your contact, fill in your education, your language here, fill in it if it's your native language. If you have any other language, add it here. If you employment, fill it. Your activities, if you have any other activities, fill it in. Your residencies, you can insert it here. Your referee, that's your recommenders. Do you understand? People that wants to recommend you, so you put them your full name and email. Your motivation letters, put it there. The one I wrote past, like cloned, so it which was here. So then let's assume I'm to apply for this particular school. I guess they have additional one in which I will just need to apply and write up and probably edit this. Depends. So the documents. So these are the documents. So these are I uploaded my ATS, my motivational certificate, sorry, my motivation letter, my transcript, my certificate, my passport, and the likes. So but if you click on the checklist, you see that some of this stuff are showing red and I've uploaded them. So let's, like example, improve of foreign language proficiency. So I can click on it. It's going to ask me this information. I'm going to choose. I've uploaded the original and translation. Once I do that and cancel, it's going to mark. So like my bachelor's degree, I've uploaded it. You can click on it. That's how to check the checklist. Do you understand? In case you're having that issue later on. But I've not uploaded this one. If I should choose this, it will ask for me to upload a document. So let me just skip that. Let me choose another one just for you to show you something. Privacy, I've not done that. The declaration of donor, all these certificates, all these checklist documents, they have like different, it's based on different schools. Do you understand? So this quiz is asking for like extra stuffs. I don't know why they're asking. So once you are done filling everything, so all you need to do is just click on submit. So but let's assume you have a problem and you have most of your applications showing red like this. Once you click any of them, do you understand? Just choose the last one that I have uploaded my passport, and the last one in some cases might be uploaded my passport and translation. Once you choose that and close it, it's going to like check it for you. So then you can save as a draft, and once you have done filling everything, you can submit your application. So that's all for that. And like I said I was going to share the reason why I feel I was not chosen 23 times I've applied. And what I felt was that because of my my CGPA. So because I was a 2-1 candidate, and I feel that because this particular scholarship is for all international students from different countries, and and I can see the sense in it that we have many first class students applying for this same scholarship, and in which people with 2-1 are also applying, in which the chance of people with 2-1 getting a scholarship is very slim compared to people with first class. Do you understand? So, so that's for that. So that's what I felt. I feel it was because of my I feel because of uh, my CGPA. So, but however, if your CGPA is also a 2-1, don't be discouraged. Put in your best motivation letter and everything, and try your best. So it might be a lucky one. So, but try your best. Don't be discouraged. So that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day.